gonna do something special. I told you guys I would do it. Just we can't do everything in one day. We're getting rid of the fan. We're going electric.
This was actually done several weeks ago, but I forgot to include it in any of the build videos, but better late than never. Here it is.
We got the bro Brandon from Big Time Electric, Sacramento again. Yeah, he did my Tahoe a couple years ago. One of the best things I ever did to it. So now we got him over here to do this again. So those fans, those are out of an Escalade, right?
Yeah.
Same year?
Yep.
Same body style anyways?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's crazy how much room that buys you when you take that fan out of there. Yeah, so you got to get in there and repin that thing, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, so what he's doing there is he's adding a pin
To control the fans.
to the plug. Kind of hard to see everything that's happening in here, but like I said, this isn't just your average plug and play. This is OEM style. Don't get too much more OEM than doing it like this, really.
So just added the 2 pins in. One in the blue connector, one in the red connector. Added in so we can run it up to the relay. That'll sit over here. That'll control the fans. This is the factory relay for the fan setup. Drop that right in there.
It tucks in there like it was meant to be.
Mm-hmm.
Factory, pro, OEM, proper.
Proper.
Sick as hell. All right, we're plugged into the port, and what are you doing now?
I'm gonna give the computer the commands to turn the fans on and off at certain temperatures and on and off with the air conditioner so everything works like it's supposed to, like it's factory.
Yeah, cool.
It is factory.
Yeah. I hear fans. Yeah, stage 1. I hear it. Stage 2. That wind feels good too. Just gotta wait for them to kick on when the truck gets up to temperature, and that's pretty much it. That's it, just like that, all that extra room. Electric fans, 2002 Yukon. Done deal. We're out. Does that mean mission complete?
Mission complete, boss.
Bad as hell. Yeah. Big time Auto Electric.
Yes, sir.
Sacramento.